While using your Windows 11, you may face different problems like the slow problem, freezing, lagging, files or settings not opening properly, corrupted windows, or any kind of blue screen problem, or you have multiple viruses and malware. Then there is an amazing feature now on Windows 11 that give you a quick solution to fix all these kind of problems. So if you make a right click on the Windows icon here and click on settings, then from the left hand menu option you have to click on Windows Update. And then if you scroll down a bit, you have to click on Advanced Options. And below here under the additional option, you will find the recovery. And if you click on it, you will find a new option that says fix problem using the Windows Update. And trust me guys, this is an amazing feature of Windows 11 that will be surely helping you to fix many kind of problem. And what exactly it does, it says reinstall your current version of Windows, your application, files and settings will be preserved. Means nothing will be deleted. And if you click on reinstall now here, click on yes, and it gives you all the detail here if you want to read about it, like we will repair component and system file. If a repair solution is available, we will attempt to fix system component corruption by reinstalling the current version of Windows. Your application, documents and setting will be preserved. Please make sure your PC is on and connected to the internet and a power source. After installation, we will let you know when it's time to restart your PC to complete the repair. So what you need to keep in your mind that you have the proper power connection and the available internet connection. Once you are assured, once you are okay, you have to click on OK. And now it will be checking for the update, and if there is any repair available, it will go ahead and reinstall your Windows with a fresh copy, and all the problem that you had before on Windows 11 will now be fixed. So once the update check will be completed, you will find it says Windows 11 version 24H2, that is the latest version. And after that, you will find the repair version. And it's already downloading. So what you have to do, you just need to wait until it's all been done. Or even you can click on restart now so that it can download all the required file while restarting. So now here what I would recommend you that below where it says more option and it says get the latest update as soon as they are available, make sure this is being enabled. And then you have to wait until all this downloading are being completed. So below 2025-02 cumulative update for Windows 11 version 24 H2 has been already done and it says pending restart. So now we only need to wait for the above one, the top one that says Windows 11 version repair version. Alright, so once it will be done, then we can go ahead and restart the computer. So it may take a while. So you have to keep some patience and wait until it's all been done. So let's wait until it's all been 100% completed. Alright, so finally all the updates are being completed and you can see it says pending restart. So now finally what you will have to do, you need to click on restart now. And the computer will now be restarting and probably it will be reinstalling the Windows version, that is the repair version again to fix all kind of your problem. So again you have to wait for a few more minutes until it's all been done. Alright guys, so finally Windows 11 has been reinstalled with the repair version and now it is starting again. Now keep in mind that this entire procedure may take some time while reinstalling the Windows. So as I said in the beginning, that make sure that you are properly connected with the power connection and you have the enough internet data. So once it will be restarted, now you will find a great change and I'm very sure that all kind of lagging issues, freezing, slow problem, all kind of other kind of issues like blue screen and corruption, everything will be resolved now. So that's all guys for today and hopefully you found this information useful. So you can better give a try in case if you have any such problem on your Windows 11, then try this solution. I'm very sure this will be working for you. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe and I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.